Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at our brand new building at 1624 Carey Road in beautiful Kelowna, BC, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 2017 Ford Escape SE. Power for this Ford comes from a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder engine mounted to an automatic transmission and four-wheel drive. It is riding on 17-inch alloy wheels, and if we look up top, we have a roof rack. From the side, we've got color matched mirrors and door handles and that nice deep tint rear privacy glass for both your passengers and your cargo. Coming around to the front, we have the large rigged windshield, which makes awesome visibility. We've got the chrome grille and the fog lights. Inside, we're going to find a bunch more great features, so let's hop right in and have a look. Taking a look inside, we've got top condition gray and black two-tone upholstery. And moving around to the back, we've got seating for three and a pull-down center console. Those are also 60/40 fold-down seats, so you can expand your cargo space if needed. Opening up the door on this side, we'll find our power locks, power windows, and power mirrors. And hopping inside and looking down there, we've got our lighting controls and our power liftgate. On this side of the steering wheel, we've got our controls for info you can access up on the dash, as well as our cruise control. And right over here, we're going to find our audio controls and our hands-free Bluetooth calling. Taking a look up top, we will start it up. And up here, using these steering wheel controls, we've got our trip meter, our information about our fuel economy. And if we go into settings, we have a bunch of other things that we can customize and get information on. Moving on over, we have an AM/FM stereo with a CD player and Sirius satellite radio. And using our menu button up here, there is some more things that we can go through and set up and customize to look the way we want it. Coming on down, we've got our dual zone climate control with air conditioning, and our controls for our front heated seats are right there as well. Right here, we have our traction control and our auto stop start. And right down here, we'll find our auxiliary power input and our USB input as well. Moving on over, we've got our 5-speed automatic shifter and our electronic parking brake, as well as cup holders and a nice big center console there for storage. Spinning around, we've got quite a bit of legroom back there. You can comfortably fit 3 people, no problem. So let's hop out and check out what the back of this vehicle has to offer. Coming around back, we've got our rear mounted antenna and our color matched rear spoiler. And back here we've got our Ford Escape and SE Eco Boost 4-wheel drive badging, and our dual exhaust and trailer hitch are right down there. And we've got the rear wiper blade, and like I said, that rear privacy glass does continue back there, so people won't be able to check out what you got in there for cargo. Thank you very much for taking the time to check out this Ford Escape with me. If you would like to see it for yourself or even take it out for a spin, come on down to 1624 Carey Road. If you just want some more info, you can give us a call, and one of our amazing product advisors would be happy to talk to you. Or you can find us online at KelownaToyota.com to get all the details on this SUV, or to browse the rest of our new and used inventory. I hope everybody's doing awesome as we head into spring. Please drive safe, and we look forward to seeing you soon.